This is a tutorial on how to create maintenance policies. And these maintenance policies are beneficial when you have an instrument on which you'd like to conduct periodic inspections or periodic calibrations. Let's say you have an instrument on which you'd like to conduct inspections every 2 years, every 1 year, every month. You can create these policies and set expiration dates, and whenever it's close to the expiry date, your text will be notified. So let's get started. To start, you will want to locate this maintenance step, and at the top click on maintenance policy. Then you would want to add new maintenance definition. Here you will want to add a name. I'm gonna do an inspection. I want this inspection to reoccur every year, and I want this inspection to start on October 1st and reoccur every year. I want my text to be notified that this inspection is expiring, and I want them to be notified, let's say 5 days before October 1st of every year. I expect this inspection to take 3 hours. It's not safety related, it's not environment related. I'm gonna select the legal requirement. It's a legal requirement to inspect this instrument every year. You can also be lenient or strict about your policy. You can select this box and say this means, or this inspection in this case, needs to occur on October 1st, no exceptions. Or you can let your techs or whoever is responsible for this inspection to defer this inspection by a month, 2 months, 3 months. I'm gonna do 1 month. As you scroll down, you see this activity usage box. If you select this activity usage box, you will have the option of selecting post-deployment or pre-deployment. Let me explain this to you a little bit better. So if you have this instrument conductivity SB04, scheduled to happen on a cruise. Every time it is scheduled to happen on a cruise, if you select post-deployment, every time this instrument is scheduled to happen on a cruise, your techs or a responsible user will be notified that after cruise is complete, an inspection should take place. So this is what this section is for. Next, on the screen you have the option of loading any documents related to this policy, and then you can add notes, descriptions here. Required capability. This is a drop-down box that does not have any fields yet, but this is a place for you to indicate whether or not special requirements are needed in order for them to conduct this inspection. Perhaps perhaps they need to carry a certain weight, perhaps they need special permissions. You can list these here. And you can also select this checkbox if this inspection or any maintenance definition needs to be conducted by an external contractor. And you can, list their information here. Save. And here you have it. Whenever your techs go in every year to register an inspection, your history will be located right here, your records and history. Hope this helps.